Bubba. Bubba. Tell them to like and subscribe to our channel. Bubba, tell them. Tell them, Bubba. Tell them. Tell them. Tell them, Bubba.
3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got this BMW 330d in for stage 1 tuning, so let's take a look. We found that the car's previously been tuned, so we did some bass runs, quite smoky, and didn't really make good power, to be honest. So what we'll do is we'll put the car back to stock and we'll start again. Here's a quick video with the previously tuned file on. Here's a run what we did with the file that was already on the car. See down here, it made 260 horsepower and 389 foot-pound of torque. And considering the car was already it's a 227 model, so we can make some improvements on that. So we'll get cracking. So this is the stock file compared to the last tune file. So we're at 224 horsepower now and 339 foot-pound of torque. There it's compared. And now we'll give it some Volks workshop source and we'll see what we come up with. Today's interface of choice is the auto tuner. We use this device and the laptop to take the engine calibration from the engine ECU so we can make our changes and upload it back on. And 99% of BMWs with auto tuner are OBD, so there's no need to interfere with the engine ECU. Here's the car with our tune on, just to show you the difference in smoke levels really. So that's the car all done now. Here's what we came up with. It's 303 horsepower and 458 foot-pound of torque. And here's the graph for comparison. So we've got the stock, previously tuned, and our tune, which these are horsepower and these are foot-pound of torque. So you can see the gains from one end to the other of the rev range. So it's a great result. For more information on tuning, you can contact us through Facebook, Instagram, email, or even the phone. Remember them? Well, that's it for this video, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.
3, 2, 1.